pinayagan ako ni Chairman Chua dun sa mga request ko, and then suddenly they changed everything, and then they come up with an order when they were not able to rule on my MR. To transfer, why? I don't understand. I did not do anything.
Ma'am, this is my last question, and I'm very much sorry. I'm sorry, ma'am, kasi I understand your situation right now. Pero ma'am, kasi po, ma'am, ano na lang po siguro ang inyong, next steps after this order. Are you going to file, are you going to